Hey everyone, welcome back to TBS Global Travel. Today I'm taking you on a journey to discover the world's most stunning cities. From dazzling skylines to rich cultural experiences, these cities have it all. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, we have Paris, the city of light. Picture this, the Eiffel Tower twinkling at night, the aroma of fresh croissants in the morning, and the timeless art at the Louvre. Paris isn't just a city, it's an experience. Next, let's soar over to New York City, the Big Apple. This city never sleeps, and neither will you with so much to explore. From the towering skyscrapers to the buzz of Times Square, NYC is a melting pot of culture and excitement. Now, off to Tokyo, a city where ancient traditions meet futuristic innovation. Wander through the serene gardens, then get lost in the neon-lit streets of Shibuya. It's a sensory overload you won't forget. Venice is our next stop. Imagine gliding through the canals on a gondola, the soft sound of water lapping against the sides. Venice is pure romance. Next, it's time to visit Cape Town. Nestled between mountains and the sea, Cape Town offers stunning landscapes and vibrant culture. Hike up Table Mountain for a view you'll never forget. On to Rio de Janeiro. Feel the rhythm of samba in your soul as you walk along Copacabana Beach. And don't miss the breathtaking view from Christ the Redeemer. Rio is pure energy and passion. Sydney is calling next. The iconic Opera House, the majestic Sydney Harbour Bridge, and the laid-back beach vibes make this city a must-visit. It's the perfect blend of nature and urban life. Jumping over to Barcelona. Gaudi's whimsical architecture, the bustling La Rambla, and the sun-soaked beaches make Barcelona truly unique. Every street feels like a work of art. Berlin is up next, a city that's constantly reinventing itself. Berlin is rich in history and creativity. From the Berlin Wall to the vibrant nightlife, it's a city that never stops evolving. Let's head to Istanbul, where east meets west. The city's skyline is dotted with domes and minarets, and the Grand Bazaar is a sensory wonderland. Istanbul is a crossroads of culture. Now, let's wander to Dubrovnik. This city, with its medieval walls and crystal-clear waters, looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale. Walking through its historic streets feels like stepping back in time. Finally, we arrive at Vancouver. Surrounded by mountains and the ocean, it's an outdoor lover's paradise. The city's vibrant food scene and diverse culture make it an unforgettable destination. So there you have it, folks. 12 of the most stunning cities in the world. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring.